In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a portfolio on Finviz. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to portfolio up top, so this tab over here. And then if you have a portfolio already, it's going to pop up automatically and you want to click on the create new button up top over here. Or if you don't have one yet, it's going to just show you this view by default. Then give it a name. I'm going to name this one portfolio 1. There we go. And then you can start by adding your tickers. So I'm just going to type in, for example, Apple. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to type in Nvidia like this. You could go and search by tickers, so these short symbols or the actual names of companies. So if I type in, for example, Tesla, it's going to show over here, as you can see. Now we could also add multiple by separating them using commas, as you can see over here. If I type in, for example, let's just do DJI. For example, I'm going to do DJI like this, DJI, let's say, and then do comma, and I'm going to type in TSLA, which is Tesla. If I do add tickers, those are going to get added like this, okay? Which is amazing. You can hover over them to see more info, to see the charts, stuff like that, which is also quite cool. So those are kind of the basics of creating your portfolio. Now, of course, there's a bunch of more things you can do. You can add on different notes. I do have a separate video teaching you on how to create different notes on your portfolios. You can customize them over here. You can go and essentially add and delete them over here. You can add trades by clicking plus trade and then typing the amount of shares, the dates, the cost per shares, and then the notes as well. If you wanna, you can save this, and there we go. That's also going to give you a portfolio map here at the bottom, which is honestly quite cool, okay? So that's really it. You can then go and click on edit up top to basically edit everything, how it's positioned, how it's looking, if it's in here, if it's deleted, whatever. And yeah, that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.